Hello. So the topic is portmanteau words. So what are portmanteau words? This is also known as blending, and as a part of our grammar revision, we are going to study this in detail. So what are portmanteau words? A word that is formed with a combination of two words is called a portmanteau word. Consider an example. Smog is a combination of two words, smoke and fog. This is also known as blending, as I said previously. In this video, we will learn about some common examples of blending or portmanteau words. Let us consider some examples from our day-to-day lives. The first one is Wi-Fi. It's a combination of two words, wireless and fidelity. Modem comes from the words modulator and demodulator. Digicam is a combination of digital plus camera. Emoticon is emotion plus icon. Widget, very popular, huh? Is a combination of the words window and gadget. Intel, the computer company, the words are integrated and electronics. Now try to solve the following examples on your own. Now here are your questions, and I would love it if you pause the video, try them, and then when you are ready, resume. I hope that you had paused the video, so here are the answers. Motel is a combination of motor and parking. Brunch is breakfast plus lunch. Infotainment is information plus entertainment. Sensex is actually sensitive plus index, the Mumbai share market. Romedy is romance plus comedy. Camcorder is camera plus recorder. Now, I was talking about this being helpful from the exam point of view. Well, this is the textbook entry, the 10th standard SSE. On page 114, you have this entry. I'm sure that they have used the word blending time and again, but not portmanteau word. But remember that the proper word for them is portmanteau word. Now, are portmanteau words only quite literal from the literature word? No, not really. People use the portmanteau words also to refer to people together, some couples. For example, Brangelina is Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie. Virushka. Well, if you talk of the popular comedy sitcom Friends, you have Monler for Monica and Chandler. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this, and now you know what are portmanteau words, also known as blending. Remember that. We'll meet again very soon. Take care. Bye bye.